Want to sound more natural in English? Let's boost your English with 10 common idioms you can use daily. Let's go. Number 1. Break the ice. Meaning start a conversation in a social situation. Example at the party, I told a funny story to break the ice. Number 2. Piece of cake. Meaning something very easy. Example, don't worry about the test. It's a piece of cake. Number 3. Hit the sack. Meaning go to sleep. Example, I'm really tired, I'm going to hit the sack now. Number 4. Under the weather. Meaning feeling sick. Example, I won't come to work today. I'm feeling under the weather. Number 5. Spill the beans. Meaning reveal a secret. Example, come on, spill the beans. Tell us what happened. Number 6. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning say exactly the right thing. Example, you hit the nail on the head with your answer in the meeting. Number 7. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning very expensive. Example, this new phone cost me an arm and a leg. Number 8. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning accidentally reveal a secret. Example, oops, I let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Number 9. Once in a blue. Meaning happens very rarely. Example, we go on vacation only once in a blue moon. Number 10. Bite the bullet. Meaning to do something difficult or unpleasant. Example, I hate going to the dentist, but I have to bite the bullet. Now you know 10 daily idioms to sound like a native. Which one was your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy English tips. See you next time.